Good morning, guys. How you doing? You guys want to have some fun today? We're going to talk about mana on the charts. It's been a absolute blast with you guys. We are currently sitting at 100 for 100 wins on this chart. Sorry, let me get that out of the way real quick. We are currently sitting at 100 for 100 wins on this chart. And we'll try, I would say Telegram channel. We started the channel in March and we've never taken a loss. We have video proof of every single one of these. I did a big video yesterday if you guys want to watch that on rebalancing. I'll talk more about that. I want to get some more feedback in the comments. Those of you guys who know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. Anyways, I will show you guys in the second half of this video exactly how to trade with us and how to take every single win that we're taking over here. We've never lost a trade on this channel. I want to go over mana today. Guys, I have come to love mana. Mana has been a coin that, honestly, it wasn't on my radar. I had so many of you guys email in and say, put mana and Avalanche on, Mana's Decentraland, by the way, if you don't know. Decentraland and Avalanche, to like put it on the website, get metrics. So we have metrics for it and we trade it. And I've actually taken 2 wins on mana already, and I'm in this trade as well. And it's been a really good winner for us. And thank you guys for just pushing us, and not pushing it on us, but like encouraging us to do that. Okay, I want to show you guys some bullish signs that I'm seeing today, and we're gonna just go over this, and we're gonna go over the indicators here, and then I'm gonna show you guys the metrics as well. Also some profits. This guy's making $6,000 in the bear run. He's joking around. He's like, I made $6,000 in the bear run with our strategy. And he's done that just recently. This was just uploaded yesterday. And this guy does $7,000 between ADA and mana. So we're talking about mana today. So $7,000 is not too bad. Anyways, I'll show you guys that. And then I'll show you guys, anyways, that's that. We won't go over that again. People are doing great, but I want to show you guys the metrics today and we'll go over that. So let's dive in real quickly and let's see what we're looking at. I want you guys to watch this. I love so much that we were able to code the price risk while money flow. I've been looking, guys, I don't know if you know this about me, just personally about me. I used to code indicators for tradingview.com customers for a living 2 years ago. Like literally my job, like I came out and showed people how to use indicators on TradingView, and I've been featured 4 times on the front of TradingView this year alone. It's been really awesome. I had a relationship with a good relationship with the COO, the CMO of TradingView.com. It's just been fun. I'll tell you guys this: there's a bunch of flashy indicators out there. I have not come to love more indicators than these 2, price risk while money flow and trend exhaustion. Real quick, and a shameless plug here if I may, all of our indicators, there's a bundle pack going on right now that's 84% off. I will never have the prices lower than this again. Like, seriously, going into 2022, I'm upping the prices of everything. If you want any of our indicators, you need to get it in the next 4 days before Friday, okay? Let me show you why this is so powerful. What you're observing right here is price structure in pink, and you guys are seeing what's calling the well money flow in green. Okay, the closest we can calculate to this. I know you're seeing like, okay, there's a high here and there's a high here, and we're looking at pink move down. I'll explain in some video someday of why this is just a little bit off, but follow me here. What I want you guys to observe is this: when you guys see the green line creating a high and a lower high formation here, and you guys look straight up and you see a high and another higher high, this is telling me that money is flowing out of the market, and this is where drops are going to come. Also, when the trend exhaustion is high in here, this is when we are looking for drops back down. This is why I ended up getting out of that mana trade. This is how we were actually able to exit Matic. Like, do you guys know how we exited up here? Like, look at this. I'm in this trade with you guys as well. I think I showed this to you guys yesterday. But we exited Matic up here when we're in the top red section. Why? Because these indicators are ridiculous at calling drops in the market. You guys know we exited right up here with the stop loss. It was a 50% stop loss if you guys followed that in the Telegram channel. We saved ourselves from losing all this amount. I know I'm moving to a different coin here. I'm trying to create a principle here real quick. We would have lost about 7 to 8, at the wick value low here, about almost 10% we would have lost on that trade. But I got everybody out. Was it hard? No. What did I do? I just looked at the trend exhaustion and the price risk while money flow. Is the green line high? Check. Is the trend exhaustion high? Yes. What are we going to do? We're going to exit our long trade. Now, what are we doing down here? We're waiting to pick this back up at the lower prices, which we just got in yesterday, and we're ready to ride this back up. Guys, we've won more trades on Matic than we have in all the coins combined in the last 30 days. Matic is a ridiculous coin. Okay, I'm not trying to get side tangent here. I'm trying to show a principle, because now that we see even Matic's trend exhaustion move down to the bottom section, we are now seeing this area for Decentraland, okay? Decentraland. Maybe I'm not saying that correctly. I think it's called Decentraland, okay? When we see this move down here, I am looking for moves back up. Now, let's observe something. The well money flow is sitting in the middle here. This does have room to move back down further. Yes, it does. Everybody say, yes, it does. All right. So the price could move down further here. And I'm going to go over some metrics to show you guys where those targets are. And the first target's probably definitely going to be around this area here of about 350. That is a quarters theory level of 350. That's why we're bouncing off from. This is where banks trade. Hint, hint. I know how banks trade. I've taught them. I've actually learned from them in the past. I've taught hedge funds. A lot of banks love to trade around quarters theory levels. What I want you guys to do is get these indicators on your charts. This is how you guys are going to be able to help predict market moves down and moves up. If you guys come here real quickly and circle the top points, I'm not going to do all of them. I'm just going to make it really simple. This is how you guys are able to predict moves back down. The market is literally not moving up any higher than this area. And sometimes I'll get this question over coaching calls, which I really enjoy this. They're like, Travis, I go into the past here, and I do this on my charts, and for some reason I just can't seem to time it. It just seems like, you're showing this in the past and it's working really well, but not in the future. That's why, not why, but I'm showing you guys that Matic trade yesterday. That's why we exited. Like, that's a perfect example. Trend exhaustion's high. Well money flow's high. We literally took that exit over here in the Telegram channel on Matic. I don't know if I can actually, I don't want to waste time too much on here because I want to get into the trades here. But for Matic, that was Mana. Where's Matic? Hey, let me just show this to you guys. I just want to keep this all transparent. This is where we exited. 274.5. So that's where we exited. What was happening? Trend exhaustion was high. Why do we exit? Because it was high. And then what happened after that? Look at 275 on the chart here. Let's get across here so I can keep everything transparent here. Where's 275? Right around this area. Right around here. Sorry guys. I need to pull this over because it's overlapping. There we go. Right around this area of 275. Was it right around here? Right there. So right around this area. As it starts moving up, we got in the top red section. What did we do? We ended up saving ourselves all this loss in here. And if it kept on going up, we would have kept making money because we moved the stop loss. It's very, very important you guys are understanding how we trade in here. Okay, let's move back to Mana. I want to go over the metrics now for Mana because these are all going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And then give me like 30 seconds here, guys. I'll get you into the next trade setups so you guys can see them. All right, we are sitting in the excited area for the emotional index for Mana. When you guys see this, you need to be aware of this because a lot of retail traders, when they do get excited, this is where wells and institutions are going to come out and they're going to try to short you. This happens every single time. I've just explained to you guys on the Avalanche video. When people get very greedy, the market drops. When people get greedy, the market drops. Alternatively, when people are very fearful, this is when the market turns around. Why? Because as the market gets greedy, follow me straight down, what's happening? As the market gets greedy in here, we are seeing short trades move out in the market. Why? Because short trades are selling all of the buying power of retail traders. You guys are buying, institutions are selling, they're going to drop the price. You guys as retail traders are I'm not saying you guys because a lot of people are trading against this now and they're trading with us, which is the right way to be trading. You guys are trading with Wells institutions and you guys are able to get down here and you're starting to acquire trades on the dip instead of selling, which you guys are making money back up here. If you have ever looked into your computer screen and said, I know there's a little dude on the other side that's trading against me every single time I click that buy button, there's like an institution out there watching my charts clicking the sell button, it is 100% because you're an emotional trader. I'm not trying to be rude, guys. I'm trying to call it out how it is so I can help you guys win. Hopefully you guys can hear the grace in my voice about this. We have never lost a trade trading crypto. We have the highest win rate on all of YouTube that I can find. I don't think there's anyone higher. I coded the emotional index to keep me away from what other people are doing so we don't have to do any of that. I literally look at this and I'm like, nope, not doing that. I'm going to do what Wells institutions do. Okay, we'll get down there in a second. Long versus short trade risk. Where is favored line? The metric value of the blue line is where the metric value is. So when this pushes up into the good short trade area, this is looking for good short trades. Well, we saw that over here. It was a great short trade. And what do we see? The price moved back down. We saw a great short trade. What happened? The price moved back down. We saw a great long trade. What happened? Price moved up. Like, what happened down here? Price moved up. What happened over here? Price moved up. But guys, these are the best metrics to be using for crypto. I'm personally convinced of that because we haven't lost a trade yet. So best thing to do is set up buy limits today. I'll show you guys how to do that to actually just get money into the market is what I suggest you guys do. And that's the best thing I can suggest for you guys. Well, an institutional smart money over here looking for a Mana. We are seeing that the price is moving up here and we are seeing an overall accumulation of short trades. All right, well, let's talk about this. Because short trades are in the market, yes, we could have been maybe just a little bit more patient on here and got into the drop a little bit further down. But I'm okay with this because we still have 3 other buy limits. And this is literal, just cash, thousands of dollars on my personal exchange, thousands of dollars just sitting down here as insurance on this trade. Number one question I get, Travis, We have so much money sitting over here in buy limits. We want to get more money in the market. I'm like, you haven't been through a bear market yet, have you? And if they have, they're ignorant to it. And I'm not trying to be rude, guys. Please hear me out. The kindness that I'm trying to like put out here. You got a lot of people in the market try to put more money into the market. This is normal retail traders. I'm going to enter all my money into a coin because I think it's going to pump. It's not sexy to do buy limits because all they want to do is show their friends on their phone how much money they made. But guess what? All those friends go bye-bye when the market drops down because all they're doing is losing money. What we're doing is I'm showing you guys every single day, Monday through Friday, what the account is doing, and we're still up about 3%, it's 2.5% in the account here because we're using such good risk management even while the market is going down. Okay? That is why we use buy limits, and I'm going to teach you guys how to stay safe with your money over here. I coach millionaires, like a lot of millionaires that I coach, okay? They are not into pump and dump coins. They want to make 10, 20, 30% a year, and they want their money safe. That is what I'm going to teach you guys on this channel, okay? And also make sure you guys are getting these indicators. Watch this pump back up here, okay? Let's keep going here, and I'll get you guys into the next trade setups. Support and resistance prices. The next area I'm looking for is $4. That is a quarters theory level, and then down here I'm looking at $3. So it's $4 and $4 and $3. Structure high, $3 is basically structured low on the chart here. So if we move down to $3, that's just right around our second buy limit, I'm looking for a very nice bounce back up. That's why it's there. If we start moving up here and we break $4, this market's going to get very bullish because the next honest target, guys, is up here at this structure resistance. And that's going to put us at about 439. And that's going to be a very nice move up because that's going to give us, 6-7%? No, probably more about 13-14% profit on this trade. That can happen literally overnight. By Friday, we can get there. So literally by Friday, we can get there. So make sure you guys have your buy limit set up. I'll show you that in a second. Dollar cost average entries, if you have $10,000 in the market, you want to throw $1,000 into each of these green lines. They update every single morning at 8 a.m. Like literally, if you open your computer and you come onto our website and you're like, oh, I got a green line, throw $1,000 in. Great entries for you guys to hold for 5 to 10 years. This is for diamond hand holders. Exit points. Hello. Maybe we should start looking to take some profit in here. And that's what we ended up doing. We took some profit and then we're back into a trade here. So we're expecting this drop back down. We ended up getting it. Awesome. That's fantastic. And so what we ended up doing was we're just in a trade. We have very good risk management here. We got into on December 27th, which was yesterday. And we're simply just waiting for more buy limits to get hit. Here is how you guys trade with us on this market. You guys know the pricing over here. It's just $49 a month. It is literally institutional grade. I coach institutions and I coach Wells and I coach hedge funds in the past, guys. Like everything I learn, I'm going to teach you guys how to do this. This is the lowest membership possible that you can find online for this win rate. We are winning between 10 to 15% per trade. We took a 16.16% profit on Matic, and then we ended up exiting down here on Mana. We took a 10.86. It's between 10 to 15% per trade that we're winning right now. And we've done 100 trades in a row, okay? Take a look over here. This is going to give you guys access to all of the metrics I just showed you guys. Obviously, we're talking about Mana, but you guys get it for all of our top 12 coins. This is going to give you access into the live trade section. This is where you guys want to be hanging out because this is where we take all of our trades. All 100 of our trades have all been taken from this one website page right here, ontradeconfident.io, under the live trade section. You guys need to come down here and scroll down to Mana today, which is at the bottom here, Decentraland. And you guys need to click here, and this will give you guys access into the buy limits today to set money up into this coin, okay? I'm going to show you Bitcoin, however, to keep it private for our subscribers. So let's go over this. Here's how you guys are going to trade. I'm going to go fast. There's 4 buy limits. There's 1 sell limit. Take the amount of money you want to trade with. It's going to be $1,000 in this example. You choose the amount. Split it into 4 equal portions, 250. 250 here, 250 here, 250 here, and 250 here. Very simple. Place all your buy limits at the exact same time in your exchange, and then wait for the first buy limit to be hit. Once your first buy limit is hit, set your sell limit up here in the exchange for 100% exit, and then all you guys have to do is wait for the exit calls in Telegram. Come over here, sign into Telegram on your phone or your computer first, and then click this link right here, and this will give you guys access into the Telegram channel, okay? This is where you guys get the access right here. You guys need to be getting the price versus wall money flow and the trend exhaustion indicators, the indicators in here, because this is how I'm going to be calling exits. And this is a very good time to do so because you guys have 4 days left. Is it 4 days? Yeah, it's 4 days. It's a Friday. I'm ending the sell Friday. So whatever that is, because we have today, 28, 29, 30, 31, 4 days left. So you guys, at the end of this month, this is going to go away. You guys are not going to be able to get 84% off all of our indicators. This is going to be going up in price $50 at the end of the month. So right now, today, make sure you guys are doing this. You guys are going to just click this link here, and you're going to get all of our indicators in one shot. You want to enter coupon code Christmas at checkout. Okay, Christmas, capitalized, lowercase, it does not matter. Christmas is what you guys want to enter at checkout for the bundle pack. you guys can get the price per swell money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion about 60 to 59% off right now. Use coupon code SAVEMONEY at checkout. That's fine. You guys pay just a few more dollars. You're going to get all 3 of these as well as 6 indicators on top of these 3 for a total of 9 indicators with the bundle pack. And you guys, I am going to be looking to use other indicators that we have going into 2022. So if you guys want to just prepare for what I'm going to show you guys next year, just get the bundle pack because it's the cheapest it will ever be. And guys, like I'm saying, it will not be lower than this price again. This is the most important 4 days you guys will actually have for the bundle pack in months to come, because I'm not going to actually discount it too much. I'm actually looking to up the bundle pack price in 2022. And for sure, I am going to be upping the price per swell money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion in the first quarter of 2022. These prices are going up. Everything is going up on our website in this next year, everything. So if you found my channel in 2021, you are some of the luckiest people out there because we've never lost a trade. We're going to keep going in, and I'm going to give you guys the cheapest price on the membership, the cheapest price on the indicators, and you guys literally have 4 days left to do this. So please, I'm not going to just try to beg you guys do what you want, but 4 days left, get the bundle pack, enter coupon code Christmas at checkout, and you guys will end up getting everything for 84% off. This is separate from the membership. These are one-time purchases for these indicators, by the way. They are not a monthly recurring purchase, and you get the source code. Real quick, if any of you guys have purchased the individual indicators and you want to upgrade to the bundle pack before the end of the month, email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com and I will give you guys the bundle pack. We're going to send you a PayPal invoice, and let's say you just purchased the price per swell money flow. The difference from what you've already purchased, we will just send you the difference in a PayPal invoice, and we'll give you the rest of the 7 indicators with the difference. I will not come in here and make you force you guys to pay the whole bundle pack because you've already purchased. That's ridiculous. I will honor what you guys have paid already. I'm not looking to try to make more money off this. I'm just going to try to honor you guys and say, you know what? If you've purchased indicators in the past and you've already purchased 2, tell me the amount you spent. I'll just give you the difference, and I'll give you guys the rest so you get all 9 of them. I will honor that for you guys all the time. It's a standard practice we have in all of, Jake and Josh, the guys that help over email, they all know that, okay? Let's finish this video here. Mana is looking for some bullish signs in the market. Trend exhaustion is low. Last time we hit the trend exhaustion low point, we ended up seeing a move up in the market. We ended up actually getting into a little bit of a bull market phase. Previous time before that, what happened? We saw the market not head down any further. We saw a pump back up. Previous time after that, what do we see? A stall in the market, and we move back up. Previous time before that, we saw a move back up. Are you guys seeing the accuracy of how well these indicators are calling the drops in the market and the pops in the market? When we look over here, this called the drop over here. We could not head down any further. We saw this move very low down into the trend exhaustion section. What happened here? We saw a very nice move back up in the market when that happened, and we also were able to call the drop over here in the market because flow of money was moving out, well money flow was moving out of the market while price structure was hitting a high and another higher high. This is divergence. If you ever see price structure moving up while you see the well money flow and the trend exhaustion moving down, you need to watch out because that is where the market's going to dip back down. And another proof, hit the top red section of here, well money flow is high, and we saw a move back down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 calls. I can prove to you guys 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 in here of calls up and down. The 2 best indicators to start making some serious money in the markets are these 2. God bless you guys so much. I'll keep the videos coming this week, but make sure you guys get the indicators before they go up in price. Make sure you guys are getting the membership before that goes up in price as well. Over here under the pricing, get buy limits set up and join me in the Telegram channel where I'm giving you guys insider looks of what I'm seeing in the market, as well as showing you guys every single trade that we're exiting, how we're managing it, and you guys can copy exactly what I'm doing for all of my trades because I'm trading with you guys in these buy limits with you, okay? Have an amazing day, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com, and I will see you guys on the next video. God bless you. Everything you need is in the description of the video, or I pinned it to the first comment of this YouTube video. I'll see you guys later. Let's see if we can go 200 for 200 wins in the year of 2022, and let's make some money. Watch for a move up here. Bye, guys.